watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
The dining table is the heart of holiday gatherings. It is where we share meals and make memories with the people we love. If you love the warmth of natural textures and cozy details, a rustic theme is perfect for you. Today, I'm sharing some inspiring ways to style your table for Christmas. Let's get started. Refined glow. Start with gold accents and soft linens mixed with greenery. The candlelight reflects beautifully, giving the scene a warm, intimate glow. Wood and stars. Create a chic look with an evergreen runner and pillar candles. Add wooden stars and pine cones for a textured, natural feel. Burlap and porcelain. Combine a rustic burlap runner with fine porcelain plates. Add tall candles and fresh evergreens for a classic, timeless balance. Hanging details. Try placing evergreens in bottles and vases. Use woven placemats and hang bells above the table for a unique, festive touch. Plaid and potted trees. Layer a burlap runner with woven placemats. Add mini potted trees, candles, and plaid napkins for a cozy farmhouse vibe. Gilded and pale. Use gilded chargers and an evergreen runner with ribbons. Add pale branches and cinnamon sticks for a scent of the holidays. Crisp and cozy. Keep it cozy with mini trees and greenery. Pair white porcelain with pine cones and crisp white napkins for a clean look. Farmhouse red. Go full farmhouse with a plaid tablecloth and woven placemats. Use a red stand with greenery as a charming centerpiece. Amber and wood. This gorgeous setup features wood slice placemats and amber glasses. Add tall candles and cute deer place cards for personality. Modern gray. For a modern rustic style, mix bells, pine cones, and wooden ornaments. Finish with potted trees and sleek gray napkins. Moody silver. Create a moody atmosphere with an evergreen runner and silver ornaments. Black napkins and a deer figurine add a touch of drama. Neutral elegance. Keep it neutral with white woven placemats and porcelain. A simple greenery runner and tall candles look very fresh and elegant. Nordic black. Try a Nordic style with black plates and gray napkins. Soften the bold look with an evergreen runner and natural pine cones. Gold and green. For a refined table, use gilded chargers and lots of candles. An evergreen runner ties this elegant and festive look together. Berry accents. Use a fabric runner with evergreens. A lantern with berries and a stump candle holder add perfect rustic charm. I hope these ideas inspire you to create a beautiful setting for your family dinner. Remember, the most important part of the table is the people sitting around it. Which style was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy hosting!